The Circulon A1 Series with ScratchDefense Technology frying pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a non-stick surface that is designed to resist scratches. This 12-inch skillet in graphite can handle many cooking tasks. It's built for induction cooktops, and it heats up quickly and evenly. You can cook your favorite meals with confidence. The special ScratchDefense technology makes this pan stand out. It uses materials similar to those in the automotive industry. This feature makes the non-stick layer very tough. It's much harder to scratch compared to regular non-stick pans. So, you can use metal utensils without worry. Cleaning is also a breeze because food doesn't stick. This saves you time and effort after cooking delicious services. This Circulon A1 Series frying pan is more than just a cooking tool. It's a reliable partner in your kitchen adventures. The Bakelite handle stays cool, providing a comfortable grip. The pan feels sturdy and well made, promising long-lasting properties. While the COVID-19 pandemic affected many industries, Circulon focused on quality. There are no extra PCs like a screwdriver included, but the pan itself is a valuable tool for your cooking registration. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: easy to clean, dishwasher safe, induction ready, oven safe. To 400 degrees F. Even heating, warp resistant, comfortable handle, metal utensil safe. Cons: some reports of sticking over time, lid may shatter. If part of a set, some induction stovetop compatibility issues, non-stick performance may decline, potential for damage in dishwasher. Despite claims, handle comfort subjective, weight might be an issue for some, durability under heavy use is questioned. Features: non-stick, induction 12-inch, graphite, ScratchDefense, A1 Series, frying pan, skillet. Durable, easy clean. This 12-inch Circulon A1 Series frying pan has a non-stick surface with ScratchDefense technology, which means it is very resistant to scratches. It is made for all stovetops, including induction, and has a graphite color. The pan is designed to be durable and easy to clean. This 12-inch Circulon A1 Series frying pan has non-stick that is made to resist scratches and works on induction stovetops. It's easy to clean and can go in the dishwasher and oven up to 400 degrees F. The pan heats evenly and shouldn't warp. Plus, it has a comfortable handle and is safe to use with metal tools. However, the non-stick might wear out over time, and if the pan is part of a set, the lid could break. It might not work well on all induction stoves, and some people have had issues with the non-stick coating losing its effectiveness or the pan getting damaged in the dishwasher. Also, the handle's comfort and the pan's weight might not suit everyone, and how long it lasts with a lot of use is uncertain.